Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is delicious crispy fried chicken. Take a chicken drumsticks 8 pieces. Cut chicken drumsticks like butterfly shape as shown in video. Let me know from which city you are watching our video in comments below. I will thanks to everyone. Take a bowl, add chicken drumsticks. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Soy sauce to teaspoon. Vinegar to teaspoon. Salt a half teaspoon. Red chili powder a half teaspoon. Chopped garlic 5 cloves. Raw milk 1 small cup, mix well. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Cover and let marinate for 1 hour. Take another bowl, add beaten eggs 3. Take a bowl, add all-purpose flour 1 cup. Add black pepper powder a 1/4 teaspoon and salt a 1/4 teaspoon. Now coat with all-purpose flour, then beaten eggs. After that, coat with all-purpose flour. Do with all chicken drumsticks pieces. Take a frying pan, add cooking oil for frying. When oil gets heat, add chicken drumsticks in oil. Cook over medium flame 8 to 10 minutes until fry crispy and light golden color. Remove from pan and decorate in plate. Ready to serve with your family and friends. Very delicious and tasty, you must try. Ingredients list. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye.